The four main cardinal points are north, east, south, west. Now, what is bearing? Bearing is the angular relationship between two places measured in degrees from the north, which means from the basic knowledge we have about angles, from north to east is 90 degrees. From east to south is another 90 degrees. From south to west is another 90 degrees. And from west to north is another 90 degrees. So which means the sum of angles at a point, when we add all these 90s together, will give us 360 degrees. So with this basic knowledge, we can deal with this question. The bearing of Sokoto from Kaduna is 50 degrees. What is the bearing of Kaduna from Sokoto? Now, from Kaduna is 50 degrees. Now, 50 degrees is in between north and east. That means if we take our rotation from north, we have to stop somewhere in the middle and then draw a line. So automatically we know this location is Kaduna. From the question, from Kaduna is 50 degrees. So Kaduna is 50 degrees. Now, that means we have our next location somewhere around here. So do not forget the definition of bearing. Angular relationship between two places measured in degrees from the north. But from the basic ideas of alternate angle, don't forget that in alternate angles we were taught that angles in form of Z are equal. So from this diagram we have something like this. If this is 50 degrees, that means the smaller part of this angle in this location is also 50 degrees. But remember, if this is Kaduna, what we are looking for is the bearing of Kaduna from Sokoto. That means this point or this location is Sokoto. Now, how do we find the bearing of Kaduna from Sokoto? Using the definition of bearing, we have to start our movement from north. Take the measurement of the angle from north until we hit the line that combines or that joins Sokoto and Kaduna together. That is the bearing we are looking for. So what is left now is for you to know how to do your reading. From north to east, we know it is 90 degrees. And from east again to south, we know this is also another 90 degrees. So that means the bearing we are looking for, bearing of K, which is Kaduna, from Sokoto, which is S, equals 90 plus 90 and plus 50, which equals 230 degrees. Take note, the bearing of Sokoto from Kaduna is 50 degrees. Now, the bearing of Kaduna from Sokoto, you just take your measurement from north. You keep going until you get to the line that combines Kaduna and Sokoto together. Once you get to that line, take your readings. From this north to east is 90. From this east to south is another 90. And from this south to this line that joins them together by the property of alternate angle is 50 degrees. So when you add all the angles together, you have 230 degrees, which is the bearing of Kaduna from Sokoto. End of show.